Welcome to the ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned techie or just dipping your toes into the world of gadgets, you've come to the right place. From cutting-edge smartphones to sleek wearables and everything in between, we've got you covered. And remember, don't skip a beat because you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Hey there, football fanatics. We're diving into the world of voon soccer, the ultimate training gadget that's about to change the game forever. Imagine having a personal football coach right in the palm of your hands. That's exactly what voon soccer offers. With its cutting-edge technology, voon soccer enhances your skills, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. How much does this game-changing gadget cost? Well, brace yourselves, folks, because the price might surprise you. For just $199, you can elevate your football game to new heights with voon soccer. Introducing the acestand, the all-in-one titanium foldable EDC phone stand. Crafted from premium titanium, the acestand is not just durable, it's a statement of sophistication. Its foldable design makes it pocket-sized for ultimate portability, while the adjustable angles ensure the perfect viewing experience every time. But wait, you might be wondering, how much does this revolutionary gadget cost? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to reveal the unbelievable price of the acestand. For a limited time only, you can own the acestand for $29.99. Yes, you heard that right. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Get your acestand today and experience the future of convenience in the palm of your hand. Check it out. In a dimly lit room, the Dark Sky DS1 star projector casts a mesmerizing display of stars and galaxies onto the ceiling and walls. With its advanced optical technology, this device transports you into a celestial wonderland, offering multiple projection modes and adjustable brightness levels to customize your cosmic experience. Whether you seek relaxation under a canopy of stars or an imaginative journey through the galaxy, the DS1 has you covered. Despite its extraordinary features, the DS1 remains remarkably affordable at just $99.99, making it accessible to stargazers of all ages and budgets. Transform any room into your own personal observatory and embark on a celestial adventure with the Dark Sky DS1 star projector. Order yours today and let your imagination soar. Tech enthusiasts ready to unveiling the ofuzzi H8, a revolutionary device redefining the future. But let's address the big question, what's the cost? The ofuzzi H8 isn't just another gadget, it's a powerhouse of innovation, offering advanced AI, seamless device integration, and mind-blowing AR capabilities. So what's the price? The ofuzzi H8 comes in at $999.99. Yes, for less than a smartphone, you can have the future in your hands, but act fast because opportunities like this don't last long. Get your ofuzzi H8 today and experience the future now. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of technology. In a futuristic living room, the host welcomes viewers with enthusiasm, introducing the groundbreaking omlamp gadget. In the omlamp, a device seamlessly integrated into daily life, offers versatile lighting options for various settings from cozy bedrooms to productive workspaces. As anticipation builds, the host reveals the cost of the omlamp, an affordable $99, much to the delight of the audience. With a limited time offer for early adopters, the host encourages viewers to act fast and order their own omlamp today. The scene closes with the host thanking the audience and promising more exciting innovations in the future. Exploring the world of instant body art with Prinker. Prinker is a game changer in temporary body art, sleek, portable, and easy to use. Just select your design from the app, place the device on your skin, and watch your chosen design come to life in seconds. Whether at a festival, convention, or with friends, Prinker lets you unleash creativity anywhere. Priced at just $199. And remember to comment, and subscribe for more creative content. Until next time, stay inspired. Hey, pet lovers, we're diving into the future of pet feeding with the incredible petlibro air feeder. Are you tired of traditional feeding methods for your furry friend? Say goodbye to stale kibble and messy spills because petlibro has reimagined the way we feed our pets. This state-of-the-art feeder not only keeps your pet's food fresh with its airtight seal, but it also offers customizable feeding schedules, portion control, and even has a built-in camera for remote monitoring. Imagine being able to check in on your pet's mealtime from anywhere in the world. Now with petlibro, you can ensure your fur baby is always well fed and happy even when you're not home. Now I know what you're thinking, how much does this amazing gadget cost? Well, let me tell you, the price will surprise you. The petlibro air feeder is available at an affordable price that won't break the bank. With options to fit every budget, there's no reason not to upgrade your pet's feeding experience today. So what are you waiting for? Treat your pet to the ultimate dining experience with the petlibro air feeder. I'll click the link in the description. The cooluli, a revolutionary gadget that keeps your snacks cool or your coffee warm on the go. But what's the price tag on this pocket-sized wonder? Well, fear not. The cost of the cooluli varies depending on the model and features you choose. From the budget-friendly options starting at $39.99 to the premium picks like the Cooluli Concord 20-liter model at $100, $19.99, there's something for every budget. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a traveler, the Cooluli's versatility and affordability make it a must-have gadget for anyone looking to add convenience to their daily routine. So what are you waiting for? Stay tuned as we uncover more must-have gadgets in the world of portable tech. Stay tech-savvy, folks. Tech enthusiasts, we're diving into the groundbreaking world of haloasis A1. But first, let's address the burning question. How much does this marvel of technology cost? The haloasis A1 isn't just another gadget. It's a paradigm shift in technology. Imagine a device that seamlessly integrates augmented reality into your everyday life, transforming tasks into exhilarating experiences. With its advanced AI, it anticipates your needs before you even know them. Whether you're at home, work, or on the go, the haloasis A1 is your ultimate companion. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The price of the haloasis A1 is $999. That's right, for less than $1,000. You can own the future today. The ultimate smart electric ball pump. Are you tired of the hassle of inflating balls before every game? Introducing Avancee, the revolutionary smart electric ball pump that's set to transform your playing experience. With its intelligent pressure sensors and customizable settings, Avancee ensures your balls are always inflated to perfection, saving you time and enhancing your performance. Hear what athletes and coaches have to say about it. As for the price, Avancee is surprisingly affordable at just $99.99. Don't miss subscribe, join our family. Thanks for tuning in to explore the latest in tech with us. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the coolest gadgets hitting the market, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. And be sure to drop a comment below with your thoughts or any gadgets you'd like to see us cover next. Until next time, stay plugged in and keep exploring the world of tech.